What's the meaning of bombardier? Bombardier. Bombardier.
Bombardier. Bombardier. The term bombardier refers to a military personnel who operates the bomb release mechanism in an aircraft during a bombing mission. The role of the bombardier is crucial in ensuring that the bombs are released accurately and at the right time to hit their intended targets. The bombardier must be highly skilled and trained in using various instruments and gauges to calculate the correct altitude, speed, and distance to release the bombs. The result of a well-executed bombing mission by a skilled bombardier can lead to significant damage to enemy targets and can be a key factor in achieving military objectives.